Welcome to all. Myself Padmavati, working as Professor, Department of ECE, GRIT. Today I'm going to teach antennas and wave propagation course for the third year ECE students. Today I'm going to teach fundamentals of antenna. What is an antenna? Antenna is a metallic device or conductor used for transmission and reception of electromagnetic waves. During the transmission, it radiates electromagnetic energy into space. While reception, it collects electromagnetic energy from the space. I will show you one video so that you can clearly understand the radiation mechanism of antenna. So, see the video. These are the different types of antennas used for different applications. So this is the radiation mechanism of antenna. During the transmission mode, it radiates energy into the space, and the same antenna can be used to receive the radiation from space. There are basically two types of antennas. So here, if you see the antenna, whenever it connected to the free space, then only it will radiate maximum energy. These are the two different antennas, omnidirectional and directional. So I will show you how gain will be calculated. So to calculate the gain of an antenna, see the figure. If we narrow the beam, the signal strength gets increased more and more. If you see the figure, if you narrow down the beam, the strength of the signal will be increased. So this is the basic antenna construction. It contains mainly three parts: generator, transmission part, and the antenna part. So generator generates energy. It will be traveled, and this is the antenna part. It will radiate energy into the space. So the radiated energy contains electric field and magnetic field as shown in the figure. E and B are perpendicular to each other. So the antenna will radiate energy into the space whenever the impedance of antenna will be equal to the free space impedance, that is 377 ohms as shown in the figure, this 377 ohms. So this is the antenna. So whenever a rod is like this, then there will be no radiation. Whenever the rod is bent like this, then there will be radiation. There are basically four types of antennas: isotropic, dipole, parabolic, and slot antennas. Depending on our application, we have to choose the correct antenna for our application. So these are different antennas for different applications. We can use first three for first three antennas are called wire antennas. These two are called aperture antennas. These two are microstrip and slot antennas, and these are corner reflector and parabolic reflector antennas. These are used for satellite communication, and these two are used for TV transmission and reception. Radiation pattern. So the radiation pattern is the variation of power radiated by antenna as the space coordinates, as the direction of the antenna. So if you see the figure, this is called a major lobe and these are called a minor lobe. In the next coming sections, we'll discuss in detail about the radiation pattern of an antenna. So, thank you all for the cooperation.